Hello, welcome. Today we are going to be starting up the teamwork project. Now, as a disclaimer, I'm not going to be doing the actual teamwork project as it is given by Andela, but I'm going to be doing a mock-up, a demo, something that will give you insight into doing your work, especially for those of us that are newbies in design. Most of these questions pop up all the time, like how do I go about starting? What am I supposed to do first? So I'm going to be able to do this using this mock-up project, but the basic and the fundamental implementations of your endpoints, connection to database and other things are going to be done by you. Then from time to time you're going to ask me questions concerning all those, and I will always be happy to help you straighten them out. So we're going to be starting immediately. So if you check out the project, you're going to see that the first thing you're supposed to do is to create a repo for the work and get it cloned down. So we're going to be doing that now. So this is my GitHub page. I believe that every of you now have GitHub. If you don't have it, please open up an account and make sure you have it. So I'm going to click on the repositories. You can see that once you click on these repositories, this will open. This repo is just like the collection of all the works that you have on GitHub. So to create a new repo, you'll see this place that is written new. So I'm going to click on this new, and as the instruction says, you create a repo and then do a readme. So what am I gonna call it? I'm gonna just call it team work demo. So it's gonna just be a demo, and it's actually the back end that we're working on now. So under description, I'm gonna say this is a demo to help newbies do the project effectively. So in essence, what I'm going to be doing for you now is what you also expect to see if you're going to be having unblockers from Andela people. A very similar thing that they are going to be doing. So I don't think is much to do. Then I'm going to click on this, initialize this repository with a readme. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to say create repo. So that is the first thing you do on this project. That is what I've just done. I've created this repo. So if you go down, you're going to see there is initializing with the readme of the description that you wrote. This is a demo to help newbies to do their project. So once you've done that, we are going to clone this to our system. That's the next thing you do. To do that, click on this clone or download. Then you're going to see this address here. Just copy it by clicking on this link. So make sure you copy it by clicking on this link. So once you've done that, you will now go back to your VS Code. So this is my VS Code. Make sure that your VS Code is the directory of the desktop or where you want to do your work. So I'm going to simply say cd desktop. I want to be on the desktop. That's where I want to do my cloning. You can see now. So I'm now in the desktop. So what am I going to do? I'm going to just say git clone in order to clone it. Then I'll put the address that I've copied. You can see it there. http github or standard teamwork demo. So I'm going to just press enter. So once you press enter, you can see cloning into teamwork. So if I go back to my desktop, I should be able to see the folder containing this teamwork demo, and that is where we're going to be doing our work. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. If you have a way you feel that we can improve this learning to make it sweet, drop them also in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you. So you can see that we have 100% cloning done. So if I now go back to my desktop, I should be able to see teamwork demo. So please help me find it. This is my desktop. Are you seeing it somewhere? Teamwork demo. Where is it? Well, I can't see it, but I guess it's here. So do similar thing on your own, then get it for me. Okay, let me just refresh. And what else should I do? Let me just type T. Okay, teamwork demo. You can see this is it here. So it has been cloned to my desktop. If I open it up, I can now, okay, you can see it has a readme. So that is how we're going to be working henceforth. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. In subsequent classes, we're going to be doing other things to make our project work. Thank you, and God bless you.